How to install the Rust programming language on macOS. It's actually super easy on macOS. Just go to the website rustup.rs, and you're going to have it's going to detect your operating system. It's going to say, you can see here, you appear to be running Unix, and then you just copy the text that's shown. All right. And then you open up a terminal, and if you need to know where to get to that, you go to your, open up your Launchpad. It's under Other, and then it's the terminal right there. Just paste in the text that you just copied. Hit Enter and let it go. It's going to download a little bit of an installer. It just takes a minute. And then it's going to prompt us with a couple options here. Proceed with installation default, customize, or cancel. I'll just choose one for the defaults, and it's going to, it'll show you the options you have here. It's just saying modify path variable. It's just setting things up the way it needs it, basically. It's pretty straightforward. All right, Rust is installed now. So now we can, and then let's see. To get started, you need to, in your path, next time you log in, this will be done. So I think all we have to do is just quit terminal and then open it back up, and that's gonna, it should be in there now. And we can do some tests. We can make a test site with cargo new. That makes a folder, a project folder. So we should be able to move into that folder, and then it should give us a Hello World project or program if we do a cargo run in that folder. Building. There it is. Hello World. That's it. That's all you need to do to install Rust on macOS.